Presenting the Godrej single-door direct cool refrigerator that offers modern aesthetics with great functionality. Available in spacious capacities, energy-efficient ratings and aesthetic designs, Godrej refrigerators are equipped with an intelligent inverter technology that gives greater efficiency, durability and a silent operation. The spacious refrigerator can store your vegetables and fruits as well as your favorite soft drinks and chilled water. The unit features adjustable and durable toughened glass shelves that can withstand the weight of heavy pots and pans. Additionally, you can also store edibles that don't require refrigeration in the base drawer. Available with a 1-year warranty on the product and 10-year warranty on the compressor. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options or pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery at your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery.